On today's episode of What the Fuck Did He Do to This Time? I got my baby right here. Still working on her. What was I gonna say about this one? I am still trying to figure out this harness. But guess what? I came across a banging ass deal on this right here. Twin, where have you been? Now, plastics on it look pretty fucking good. Only thing is it's one of the automatics. So obviously I'm not gonna use the bottom parts, just the tops. And it has a seat cover on it, which I've been looking for one of those for this one. So yes, glad I got that. Just gotta remove the stickers. I don't have a key for that one, but I'll figure that out. Hopefully I don't have to break any plastics. Because yeah, I really want to keep these plastics in good condition. The gas cap doesn't have a key, but it has this cover to just pull it off. It's kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, I may or may not use the harness. I don't know if you could even see that because of the sun. Kind of has designs on the fucking fender. That's actually kind of cool. And then yeah, I bought that one. Literally last week. It's been a week since I made a purchase. I bought this last Monday and it's a whole Monday later. Somebody has to stop me anyway. Parts bike, that's literally all this is. Ignition, something's going on with that. The kickstart itself, the splines are fucked. The dude put JB Weld on it. That obviously didn't work. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one after I'm done with it, because I really don't have the space for it. So I mean, if anybody's looking for a parts bike, let me know. I'm gonna put it back together with the blue plastics. These are going on there, but you know, definitely taking that all black. So Bay is gonna get her some new skin, fresh set of skin. Anyway, I think I should be good. I didn't actually do a full look over it while I was there. Me and the guy was actually kind of talking about this build. He was telling me how much he actually liked it and whatnot. But what the fuck? How the fuck you got this cardboard on here? Oh, he had it tied with a fucking string. Why is the mirror clamped down there? Anyway, yeah, this actually has Bluetooth on it. A part of me is genuinely considering using this harness, but I don't know. Like I said, I literally just got home with it. I'm just trying to grab the key. Give me 1 second. Cool. So this is the key for this one. So definitely gonna have to get an ignition, which I have an ignition, but if I could just get this in with one hand.
Bluetooth mode.
See? So, somewhere on here it has a fucking speaker and shit. I don't know which plug it's gonna be. I don't know which plug any of these are. But I'm fucking around and figure it out. What is this one? This has to go somewhere too. Or is this the old fucking... Nah, that can't be. Yeah, no, this is the old ignition. That's what this is. The original ignition. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, we can get this all figured out. Take the sticker off, whatever. And, yeah, got an engine coming in for this. We got parts coming in for this one. 300 swap. 190 swap. Parts bike. Don't start from the button. Even while you hold the brake. Yeah, that's all the information I got about this. But like I said, it's literally just good plastics for me. That's literally all I need it for. So I'm gonna tear it apart. Hopefully this wiring harness is in good condition so I could reutilize it and figure out how I'm gonna use the GY6 setup on the 190. It is what it is. I'll figure it out though. Already making progress, but the funny thing is it has a speaker on it, like I said, so I can listen to music while I'm working on it, but I don't want no copyright strikes, so I'm gonna just get back to working. Just found this fucking hilarious. So pop the top of the fucking gas tank off, and the first thing I fucking see is a vent. It's about time one of these tanks got a vent in it. I'm using this gas tank. I'm using this gas tank. I'm using this fucking gas tank. I can use a regular gas cap. About fucking time. Yo, this was a fucking steal. This was a fucking steal. I paid $300 for this. Clean. It's the clean parts. That's all I needed. This gas tank is coming the fuck off and going right the fuck on there. The gas tank I got in there is going right back on here. The old plastics is going on here. The broken plastics, I don't care about those. I actually still have the original blue plastics for this. If I want to, since I'm taking this off, I gotta go to my other garage to grab them, but I'm gonna put those on here actually, fuck it. Yeah. The gas tank has a fucking vent on it. It's about fucking time. This is a 2024. It only took them till 2024 to figure out to put a fucking vent on the fucking gas tanks. It's an 8-year leap between this bike and this bike. This bike one, well, it's the automatic, but either way, it's an 8-year leap between this bike and this bike. Honestly though, I might use these tires. They're 130 squared. 130/70 squared. I might use them on Cherry, the daily. So then that way, yeah, I got a good rear tire because I've been having a little bit of fun trying to avoid sliding. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to work because yes, I'm so fucking hyped about this. I'm gonna drain this fucking gas tank and I'm gonna have me a fucking vent. About fucking time. I ain't even get a chance to take a picture of this bike with my other bikes, but yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Ah, she's coming together. She's coming together. Now that I actually got a moment to take a look at it in the daytime, oh my fucking gosh, she look good. Now, I'm gonna just say this. Y'all see how that part is matte black? This is the one that's still my original one. Well, not even my original. It came off of my other parts bike for this bike, but yeah, it's still gloss because I have to cut the matte one to actually fit here. But I was just test fitting everything just to see how it looked. That's not the trellis that came with this. The trellis that came with this, clean as fuck. Clean as fuck. The plastics on it, clean as fuck. Yeah. This is how she looking now. As of right now, at least. I still got parts to install. I'm not done with that. I'm not even gonna talk about that. I'm gonna get into that. Like I said, I'm gonna make a own video on that, but carbon fiber looking good on it. The 14's looking good on it. The gold is standing out on it. You know. I got a motherfucking speaker on it. Don't mind that. This is just a part of the harness that that speaker is connected to. It's the GY6 harness. So, yeah, I'm probably not going to use that. I'm actually getting ready to go to work. I just figured I'd come out here and just take a look at it in the daylight because, like I said, I finished doing what I was doing at nighttime and I didn't even finish doing it. Like, this isn't fully bolted down right now. I just got it floating, but just so you can see how it all looks in one piece. I just did that. Looking good, though. Looking good. Even got a motherfucking plate with 2025. That sticker is 2025. So I should have no issues for a minute. Oh shit, I got parts in my bag actually. Let me actually pull those out real quick. So these are just intake boots for the other bike that I'm building, my fucking KP Mini. But I got some rear pegs. Well, no, not even the pegs. These are supposed to be the shifter pegs. And then I'm supposed to be using these for the seats. Right? Supposed to be using these for the seats. But this one had a full fresh set of fucking rubbers. So me purchasing these, I'm gonna just keep them just in case. But yeah, that's gonna be my option as far as the, what the fuck are they called? I guess seat dampeners. I forgot what the hell I had to look up to find that. But okay, gold shift pegs are gonna be going on. Shift and fucking brake. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a shorter bolt, obviously, because this bolt goes, actually no, I don't need a shorter bolt. Let me open this up and see. Oh yeah, so this should look and feel way better. It's thicker, it is solid, so if anything, you know, just put the nut on the inside, thread lock it, and I should be good. 2 of these, you know what I'm saying, brake and fucking shift. Does the gold match? It's close enough. It's close enough. That's the one thing I can say about all the golds on this bike. Okay, it matches that closer, but all the golds match close enough to where when you're looking at it from afar, it's like, oh shit. But then when you get up close, it's like, oh shit, okay. They don't match, but the front end kind of ironically just matched almost perfectly. Like, I would say that's a 9 out of 10 match right there. Not a 10 out of 10, but yeah, did a few things. Spent a little bit of money. As you can see, got a flex jet, and I also went with a Boysen Quick Shot 3, not the Quick Shot 2. Oh, almost dropped my damn phone. You see that 3 in the background? The QS3, yeah. So basically, from what I've seen, this is supposed to give me 25% more fuel on throttle off of the accelerator pump. And then the flex jet is just, you know, so I don't have to figure out how the fuck I'm gonna tune this shit because the goddamn screw is all the way up there in the bowl. So I have access to my damn jet adjustment, well, the fuel adjustment, and then I got my idle adjustment up here. I spent more on this, boys, and just the Quick Shot 3, not even the flex jet, just the Quick Shot 3. I spent more on this than the entire carburetor. Yes, the mod that I put on the carburetor costs more than the carburetor. Let's see how this all works out. About to get ready to go to work. Exhaust is on, as you can tell. I don't know if that's actually going to be fully mounted yet. Still in the process of putting things together. Still ordering parts, as you can see. Got parts still coming in. Still trying to figure out exactly like fitment, like this. How am I going to route this? I might end up getting a longer line so I can actually go under it and just loop around. But then again, I'm still looking at changing my rear master. which there's something I have to do to make that work. So yeah, you know, I got things I'm still working on. Swing arm too. I still got another swing arm I gotta throw on here. And yeah, I got a harness actually coming in. I ordered a harness for a KP Mini. I said, fuck it, let me see if that's gonna work. It should work. The KP Mini carbureted bike that I have, that harness has hazards on it, which is why I said, fuck it, I want that harness. So, order one up. Got a message from KP Moto Club asking me if it was the EFI or if it's the carbureted bike. I responded last night, so hopefully I get an answer today and they'll send me out the right harness, because I don't need an EFI harness. I'm not running EFI right now, at least. Maybe in the future, because I do kind of plan on running EFI on here. Now, if I could just get an EFI harness, that'd be fucking lit. That would be lit. But yeah, either way, I'm about to go to work. I'm gonna take a couple pictures before I go, but she's coming together. Not done yet. Still not done with that. Like I said, I'm not gonna get into that. Wiring isn't done, but right now, I mean, all of this stuff I would have to actually figure out, because at least with this GY6 harness, which this is, being pinned to this gauge, everything is off. Now, with it being pinned to the gauge off of the GY6 bike, that was a different story. It worked, but yeah, man. I'm gonna get my pictures and I'm out of here.